Okay, so first you'd start by creating an equation for this problem. So you'd start with 3/8 x, because you're adding 3/8 to the original number every time, equals, and then you turn 5% into a common decimal, so it'd be 0.05x, and you'd have plus x because you're adding it to the original number every time. Then we would solve. So first you start by subtracting x from both sides. So that would cancel out. So then you'd get 3/8 equals 0.05x. So then you'd put 0.05 over 1 because to solve this you'd have to cross multiply. So then you'd cross multiply 1 by 3 and 8 by 0.05. Then you'd get 3 equals 0.4x. And then now it's a common one-step equation, so you'd solve. So divide by 0.4 on both sides, and you'd get x equals 7.5. So then again, your answer would be 7.5.
Okay, so first what you would do to find this problem is know the formula, which is P equals 2, well, that is a terrible 2, but oh well, 2L plus W. So the first thing that you do is divide 180, which is over here, by 2. I'm restarting this. Okay, so first you would start with a formula, and the formula is P equals 2L plus W. So the first thing that you would do with that formula, that was just a formula, is you divide 880 by 2. So 880 divided by 2 is 440. But you would divide that by 4, okay, which would be 110. I have to restart. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is find the formula, and the formula is P equals 2L plus W. So to do that, you would want to come over here and take the 880 and divide it by 2 to find what your L and W would be together. So, whoa, that is bad. But whatever. So you do 880 divided by 2, which is 440. So, but you would take 440 and divide it by 2 because the L is 3 times more than the W. So you divide that by 4 to get 110. And 110 is your W. But you'd multiply it by 3 to find your L. So do 110 times 3, which is 330. Okay? So your L equals 330 and your W equals 110. But that's not the end yet. Now we got to find the area. And the formula for area is A equals L times W. So you multiply L and W to get 36,300. And that is your answer.